Hi, everyone. My name is Sean Ford. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Algorand, which is a next generation blockchain that was founded by Turing Award winner Silvio Micali and has really started to break down a number of the barriers that have gotten in the way of broad adoption and broad use and application of what we think is a revolutionary piece of technology that can disrupt a number of industries in the ways companies interact with each other and with their users. That brings me to the excitement of the day today, which is to talk to Mario Casaraghi, who is the Chief Strategy Officer for Xfinite. And I'll let Mario talk a bit about Xfinite, but it is one of the sort of testaments, I think, to the potential for blockchain technology with a company like Xfinite that is incredibly forward-leaning and tech-forward as it thinks about redefining itself and how it works with its users. So without further ado, Mario, welcome. It's great to have you.
Thank you so much. My name is Mario Casaraghi. I'm the Chief of Strategy of Xfinite, as Sean mentioned. I have a past in the financial markets, in investment banking. I transitioned to blockchain in 2016 with a few exciting projects, and I've been, as a co-founder and Chief of Strategy of Xfinite, I've been working on this for the past 2.5 years. Which have been extremely exciting, and we're now ready to hit the market. And we've selected partners, and we partner up with established companies, and we are really excited to launch on the Algorand blockchain. I can introduce Xfinite. Xfinite
Yes.
is a blockchain-based entertainment platform that wants to create a new ecosystem of inclusiveness, where users are not treated as commodities like it often happens in the digital space, but are really partner to what we do and to the success, and they participate to the success of the platform and of the ecosystem. And so we really treat users as partners, and we share with them the economic and ecosystem success of our platform. So that's how we see our ecosystem.
That's great. So one of the things when I've read about Xfinite and that we've spoken about previously is just that point, which is the importance for content creators and publishers, people who build all sorts of types of content, are really looking for ways to deepen the relationship that they have with their users and create opportunities that appropriately recognize the contribution that the users are actually making to the success of the company. That seems to be at the heart of what Xfinite is pursuing here, but I would be curious to hear your reaction to that.
No, and absolutely, and this is one of the main reasons why we decided to implement blockchain technology, because it allows for this intermediation of different markets, and as well as the creation of direct relationships between various stakeholders. In this particular context, we have obviously the users at the center of our ecosystem, content creators and content owners, as well as advertisers, and we'll go into the business model of what we're doing. But we basically reduce the barriers between each other, and we allow them to directly engage with each other, sharing and exchanging value, as well as sharing and exchanging data, without long chain of intermediaries, like, for example, happens in the digital advertising space, where the business models that are out there now are prone for disruptions. They've been there for a decade now, and they're really dominated by very strong, dominant players. So that's how we see where we're going, and so thanks to blockchain and tokenization, these relationships become direct. You allow different stakeholders to interact with each other without a party in between, but with the decentralized system the blockchain allows you to implement.
So Mario, maybe what we might make sense to do is to step back a little bit and talk about Xfinite and the vision that Xfinite has on its journey to sort of build these opportunities for users and build a deeper relationship with the millions of users that you actually have currently.
Yeah, thank you, Sean. So Xfinite is a technology company that is developing blockchain technology with the concept of financial inclusiveness and creating direct relationship with stakeholders, as we discussed. We have just launched our first DApp, or decentralized application, which is called Masalo, focused on the Southeast Asian region. Really, the business model is an advertising video on demand platform with premium content. So we're a sort of blue ocean strategy between the current business models, where on one side you have subscription video on demand models like Netflix, and on the other side you have advertisement video on demand model like YouTube. What we allow is for premium content to be delivered to the masses for free. And on top of that, we actually create this reward-based economy where we're creating algorithms to give a value to the value that users bring to us, which is their attention, their data, and their social networks, and sharing part of this back to them. We have significant partnerships in place. So the platform has been launched on the back of a partnership with Eros Now, which is the largest Bollywood studio. You know, they've been in operation since the 80s. They own around 50,000 hours of premium content, and we have exclusive rights for their digital library, as well as access to their 260 million registered users. So we really have the opportunity to tap into a community that has already engaged with the content, but is currently not monetized, extending the relationship of Eros towards their users and creating a strong relationship between Masalo and Eros.
That's great. And so, I understand, you know, Eros is certainly an impressive organization to have that relationship with. And, you know, I think as a testament to the business model that you're describing, there are a number of other fairly significant partners that you have that you're working with to make this something that people will be able to experience.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, we are trying to create an ecosystem. So Xfinite is bringing, through Masalo in this case, the blockchain services to other partners. And in this case, we have already secured and announced partnership with Daily Hunt, which has just become a unicorn, which has 280 million monthly active users. It's a news aggregator. So what people do in the first 30 minutes of their morning, where we provide them with our content and with our reward-based economy, basically extending our ecosystem externally to only the Masalo platform. We have also a similar partnership with SpiceJet, which is a budget airlines in the Southeast Asian region, obviously majorly in India, that has around 60 million yearly travelers, where we provide offline entertainment and the rewards economy to them as well. We are also Microsoft scale-up company, so Microsoft has helped us significantly to grow so far. Our company started in 2018, as I said, and we grew from 5 people to 50.
So the sheer size of the potential opportunity is a little bit hard to grasp because it is so big. And I guess the question would be, you know, why, or after going through the process that you did, you know, why did you come to Algorand, and what was it about Algorand that really helped you feel like you could make this vision a reality?
No, so Algorand is, well, first of all, an amazing team of professionals on the technology side and on the business side as well. So we've enjoyed greatly working together so far. But the major point was that we are a mass adoption play. We just talked about the numbers that we're talking about. And as you know, as common knowledge, one of the major problems of blockchain today is scalability and costs. So we really set off on a journey to try to look for the best technology to cater for mass adoption. and we have identified Algorand as the best possible technology right now in the market, but also given the skills and the drive to move forward that Algorand has, also prospectively in the future, we expect Algorand to be the best technology to do what we do.
Great, thank you, and thank you for that too. And I think in terms of what's next and what's coming for this project, maybe share a little bit about your plans and your timelines for ramping this up and growing the opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely. So firstly, Masalo is out. So the platform is live since a couple of months. We've already garnered significant traction. So right now they can already access all of the content as well as earn rewards. We are going to be implementing this solution on the Algorand blockchain at the end of the quarter. And we have also started the second use case, which is digital collectibles, non-fungible tokens, where we really want to disrupt the digital advertisement model, as well as creating the direct relationship between brands, influencers, and users that we were discussing about.
That's great. And maybe just for absolute simplicity, if you were just going to walk through the use case and the steps that you're taking, I know that a lot of times blockchain can be a bit opaque in terms of people's ability to understand how it can be applied, but it might be interesting. I know this is a viewer reward based system, but maybe talk just a little bit about that.
Yeah, so basically users spend time on our platform giving us one of their most scarce resources, which is their time and their attention. And we give a value to that. Obviously, in terms, given that we are an advertising model, we can literally give a proper real economy value to the time that they spend with us, and we share back to them some of these economics. The second leg to this is their social power and social networks, and so we want to achieve that network effect that blockchain allows by incentivizing them to bring their social network onto the platform.
Great. Well, Mario, this has been fantastic. Again, I can just speak for Algorand that we are thrilled to have you as a part of our community, have Xfinite there with the sort of vision and the tech forward approach to leveraging new technology. I think certainly is a testament to where you are, and the opportunity is, again, just so enormous that we couldn't be happier to play a small part in trying to help you achieve this very, very large vision. And so thank you for your time today, and look forward to working with you closely over the years to come.
Well, thank you very much, Sean. And likewise, we look forward to what's to come and to working with Algorand for a very long time.